Welcome back to Torque Update, where power meets sophistication. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Cadillac CT5 V, the latest high-performance luxury sedan rooted in V-Series heritage and sharpened with Cadillac's bold updates. From the moment you slide into the CT5 V, you sense it's not an ordinary sedan. It blends track-inspired dynamism with everyday comfort. The magnetic ride control suspension keeps things firm yet forgiving, and the V-Mode button instantly tailors steering, throttle, and exhaust tone for spirited drives. Cadillac's mid-cycle refresh brings a more aggressive fascia with a larger blacked-out grille and vertical LED accents. You'll also spot redesigned air intakes, striking 20-inch forged alloy wheels and quad exhaust outlets, all communicating purpose and precision. Inside the CT5 V is a blend of luxury and performance. You get heated, massaging front seats, a heated steering wheel and carbon fiber trim, a sporty atmosphere matched with comfort. Tech is top tier, packed into a 33-inch curved digital display running Google built-in, complemented by a 15-speaker AKG sound system and standard Super Cruise hands-free driving assistance. At the heart of the CT5 V sits a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 producing 360 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque, paired with a slick 10-speed automatic. That power rockets you to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4.8 seconds, with a top speed near 156 miles per hour. AWD is optional, and Brembo brakes plus magnetic ride ensure grip and control. For thrill seekers, there's a CT5 V Blackwing, a track-focused beast with a 6.2L supercharged V8, 668 horsepower, and 659 lb-ft, delivering a 0-60 mph time of 3.6 seconds, and it's even available with 6-speed manual, the last of its kind among mid-sized luxury sedans. Deliveries begin late 2025, with CT5 V starting around $59,095 and $61,095, including destination. The Blackwing starts at about $99,095, but well-equipped versions can escalate into the low six figures. The CT5 V delivers a tuned, athletic driving experience wrapped in Cadillac prestige. Luxury that doesn't shy away from performance. Want more thrill? The Blackwing offers hyper-sedan performance with either cutting-edge manual or automatic power. If this deep dive into the 2026 Cadillac CT5 V got your engine revving, hit that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update. We've got more high-octane reviews and insider previews coming your way. See you on the next drive.